Carbohydrates are structural macromolecules as well as the fundamental source of energy for living organisms, including this rabbit eating grass, and can be categorized into two basic groups: simple sugars, most often found in processed and sweet foods, and complex polymers, found in fruits, vegetables, and grains.
The building blocks of all carbohydrates are monosaccharides, or simple sugars, which are composed in 1 carbon, 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen ratios. These combine by dehydration synthesis to form disaccharides, which are also primarily simple sugars, and polysaccharides, which are larger macromolecules.
Disaccharides use dehydration synthesis to produce glycosidic linkages between two monosaccharides. For example, maltose, a sugar found in barley, is formed by two glucose molecules with a glycosidic linkage at number 1 carbon of the first molecule and the number 4 carbon of the second, or a 1,4 linkage. Sucrose is formed by a 1,2 linkage between glucose and fructose, and lactose is formed from glucose and galactose.
Polysaccharides are the polymers of monosaccharides and can be divided into two categories: storage polysaccharides and structural polysaccharides. Two storage polysaccharides are starch and glycogen. Cellulose and chitin are common structural polysaccharides.
Polysaccharides are formed in a vast array of linkages with different alpha helices and beta sheets bonding mono and disaccharides, each with unique functions. For example, starch and cellulose are both formed from glucose molecules, but the linkage of alpha glucose monomers in starch distinguishes it from the beta glucose monomers in cellulose. All in all, the great variety of carbohydrates make life possible by providing energy storage for living organisms and giving structure to those organisms' bodies. For more information about carbohydrates, see Chapter 5, Section 5.2 of the AP Biology textbook.